So I'm going to talk about how using the Daeda Pro MCP, you can identify and fix issues in HubSpot in 5 minutes. So you can see here we're at Claude Cowork, right? And I'm going to start the conversation with a basic, can you give me a high-level overview of this HubSpot portal? And Claude is going to use the Daeda MCP to analyze every contact, all the companies, the deals, quotes, all the objects, and it's going to give me a high-level overview of what it sees on the portal. It does this very fast, right? So you see one thing it's flagged up here is, we have a lot of stuff, but we don't have any lists on the portal. And I can come over to the portal and I can see, yep, there is no lists in this portal whatsoever. So I'm going to fire back with no lists. What basic lists would be good to add to this portal? And Claude is going to give me some recommendations from the data, right? So he's going to recommend some lifecycle-based lists, some email health lists, some sales activity lists, and some housekeeping lists. I say, those sound good. Let's create a plan to get those lists into HubSpot. And it's going to use the MCP to build the plan with all those 9 lists. I'm going to say, cool, check it, and then submit it. So it checks it, and it submits the plan. And with the plan submitted, I can go here to the Daeda MCP Pro Companion app, and I can see here is the plan. You can see here it's creating 9 of these lists, right? Stuff for lifecycle, stuff for email health, stuff for sales, and a no owners assigned lists. And I'm going to go ahead and execute that plan. And I'm going to wait a couple of seconds. And you can see this was all executed successfully. I can refresh the segments and I can see they're here. You can see we have lots of contacts with no owners assigned. You can also see that some of the life cycles aren't done very well in this simulation plan, in this simulation portal. But you can see, we've got opportunities, leads, all kinds of stuff in here. And you can see the filters have been set correctly. So that is how you can identify a problem and fix it within 5 minutes using the Daeda Pro MCP.